Good afternoon. I hope you're all well there on this fine Tuesday afternoon. So, I wanted to speak this afternoon about something I get asked about really often. Often get phone calls from installers asking for cameras that can read number plates. So, the key thing to look for is you've got a setting in CCTV called DORI. I'll show you what I mean. So if you go onto our website, let's look at camera options on here, and we'll scroll down and we'll use one of our varifocal cameras. Then you scroll down and let's use this camera as our example. On the data sheet, if you go into the data sheet, here we are here. If we scroll down, we've got something called DORI. There it is, DORI distance. So it's a heading for detect, observe, recognise and identify. So when it comes to identifying number plates, that comes into the criteria of identifying. So the key thing to look at is the distance from the object that you want to read the number plate. So if your number plate is 15 metres away from the camera, I'm looking at this, we can see that at its worst it's 6.4, but it's with the adjustments it was up to 22.2 meters. So in this instance this camera will be ample for this scenario. So by looking at the DORI settings on the camera data sheet, we can tell which camera is the best camera for the job that we want to do, whether it be reading number plates or identifying people. So hope you found this useful. If you do have any questions, give me a shout and I'll be pleased to help. Thanks a lot and I'll speak to you soon.